Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is one of the question being asked by one of my brilliant students. So in case you also have some doubts, you can also leave your doubts in the comment section of any video, or you can email to me on madanidhi27@gmail.com and I'll get back to you with the solution. Okay. The question is asking, while conducting the Mendelian experiment in the school garden, students have performed a cross between tomato plants with purple flowers and the plants with white flowers, and offspring F1 generation, they were all white. So that means here we need to write upon that white is the dominant color and purple is the recessive trait, right? Purple is the recessive one. When individuals were self-bred, the F1 generation gave rise to 200 individuals in the F2 generation. That means they are giving us the clue of monohybrid cross. Total individuals produced were 200. Identify the dominant character and the recessive character. So here I have already solved question number 7 part A, that white is going to be the dominant character and purple flowers are exhibiting the recessive character, right? Because as per law of dominance, only F1 dominant get expressed in the F1 generation. So by the help of it only we have concluded that white flower plant is the dominant one. Now if you remember, in the case of monohybrid cross in the F2 generation, we got the ratio of 3:1, where 3 was exhibited by the dominant and 1 was exhibited by the recessive trait, right? So in this case, because white is the dominant, so 3 white flowers will be obtained and 1 purple flower will be obtained in the F2 generation. So total plants, they are given to us 200. Now how many of each genotype? Now if we consider white as to be the dominant, then the genotype for this will be capital W, and for purple it will be small w. It will be, the gamete formation would be small w in the case of this and capital W here. F1 will be all white flowered, and when white flowered will be self, we will have such genotypes. Again we'll be making Punnett square, so we will have capital W, small w, capital W and small w. Here it will be capital W, capital W, capital W, small w, capital W, small w, small w, small w. So how many of them are going to be white? This is white, this is white, this is white, this is purple, right? So now they are asking for each genotype combination. Remember, they are asking for genotype. So capital W and capital W are 1 out of total 4 being formed. Capital W, small w, 1 is here and 1 is here. So 2 out of 4 are capital W, small w, and small w is 1 out of 4. This one. 1 out of total individuals are 4. How they are 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are asking for 200 seeds. So we will multiply this figure by 200. And the values that we'll get after solving, it will be how much? 50. Here in this case, it would be how much? It would be 100 and it would be 50. So for this genotype, capital W, the number of seeds will be 50. For capital W, small w, it will be 100. For small w, it will be 50. So you need to show these calculations while coming to the answer. Direct answers will not give you full marks. If you have any doubts as such, students, you are free to ask. Wish you all the very best for your exams. Stay connected for more videos. Thank you.